Hello and welcome to your YouTube channel at Dr. Jasmine. Today is the 8th program of our CAAPID program application requirements. The school is Louisiana State University, School of Dentistry. A legal disclaimer, this video is for informational purposes only. We try our best to get you updated and the most recent information, but a sincere request, please always visit the school's website and CAAPID website for any additional or new updates that either the program or CAAPID may have posted. The college name is Louisiana State University School of Dentistry. The location is New Orleans and the degree awarded is a DDS. The website is lsusd.lsuhsc.edu. All the links will be in our description box, so please make sure you read the description in detail. The program start date is January 5th, 2026 with a program length of 28 months and the program size is an estimated 5 students. The application opened on March 6th and the application deadline was May 1st, 2025. There is a supplemental application and there is a supplemental application fees. INBDE 1 is mandatory, 2 is optional, INBDE is accepted, TOEFL is required with a minimum score of 90 within 2 years of application cycle, and either a home edition or an IBT is accepted. There's no requirement for GRE or ADAT. There definitely is a bench test and the evaluation required is through ECE. 3 letters of evaluation are requested, one from the faculty of the dental school and 2 additional letters. You could add up to 3 more letter of recommendations from either your practice experience or your shadowing experience. There is no mention that a letter of recommendation from a dean is needed. A visa I-20 is sponsored. Citizens and green card holders welcome to apply. Here is a link to your program finder and a link to the CAAPID application. Please make sure you always visit the school website and the CAAPID program finder website for any new updates. Thank you once again for all the love that you have been showing. Please like, share and subscribe. That encourages my team and me to make more videos and provide you a lot of information. Our channel is youtube.com at Dr. Jasmine. And then please also join us on Facebook for daily updates. It's facebook.com Dr. Jasmine DMD. Wish you all the best with your application. Please feel free to comment and let us know if you have any additional question or if you liked all our videos and if there's anything else that we can assist. All the best and we will stay in touch. Take care.